Are you a beginner creator like myself? Are you struggling to make the numbers on your channel, even get the views and engagement? Well, if you answered yes to all these things, then do not worry, I am here for you. Now, I am going to talk to you about something that many creators, especially the beginners like myself, are taking for granted. And you will be surprised to know that it is one of the tiniest details, yet it has the power to turn your channel around and get you all the engagement, all the audience retention, all the public watch hours that you so much desire to see your channel grow. Now, this little detail that I'm going to talk to you about is what is called the pinned comment. Yeah, you didn't see that one coming, right? Yes, it is the pinned comment. Now, what is the pinned comment? It is that comment you see at the top of the comment section under every video. So when you open someone's video, you go underneath and then that comment sits at the very top for all commenters or anyone who goes in there to see. Now, before we go on to know how you can effectively use it, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Now, I'm actually going to share with you at least 4 things that you can use the pinned comment for. Now, assuming that you've posted a video and then for whatever reason, people are not actually commenting on that video, not to worry. What you can do is that you will write a comment and then pin it at the comment section. Yes, you have to set the tone. You have to begin the conversation so that others can as well join in. So you write a comment and pin it, and trust me, someone would definitely react to the comment. Someone will also comment, and then it takes off from there. Now, what you can do is to pick people's brains concerning the video that you just posted. Could be their general thought about the video. They should bring their ideas about the video, what you did right and probably what you did wrong on that video. So people will start engaging, start commenting, and when it happens, it triggers the YouTube algorithm to know that no, there is something interesting going on here. So why not distribute it to a larger audience so that all of them can join in the conversation? And that is how your video gets to go viral. That is one way of it going viral and increase your engagement, your audience retention, and other related stuff on YouTube. All right. So the next thing that you can do with a pinned comment is a call to action. Yes, that is where you tell people to either like your video, subscribe to your video, and a whole lot of things. So that is another way you can use the pinned comment. So when you write this, you pin it exactly how you would do for all other things. A call to action. Okay. So it tells people what to do. You understand me? Yes. And the next thing that you can do is to pin a related video. Assuming you have a video on a topic, okay, which is in close relation to this particular one, you pin the link of that video at the comment section and as well drive traffic onto that video. Let people see that video. They click on the link and it takes them to the video for them to be able to know what's up on that aspect as well. So that is another sure way of having a lot of engagement on your videos across your channel. It could be a playlist which you can use you can drive people to watch, and also it can be your website or something. You probably have a website and you have a lot of resources on there for people to see. You can pin the link there so that it drives traffic to those places. Another way is that you could own a shop. You know, there are shops online. Could be a dropshipping website or any other thing where you drive the traffic to those places. So do not take a pinned comment for granted. Another thing you can do with a pinned comment is that when you notice that a certain comment is getting a lot of likes, a lot of reactions, and even replies under your video, my brother, hurry up and pin that particular comment so that anyone who enters your comment section will see, and there is a likelihood of that person also replying, also reacting. And as I told you earlier, it sends a positive signal to the YouTube algorithm. that there is this good thing here. So why not let me distribute it to a wider audience? And when it does so, you can see that a lot of people will be coming in just to have a bite at your content. So these are at least the proven ways by which you can use the pinned comment to your advantage. Now, if you look under this video, the comment section, you would see that I've pinned a comment, which is also another tiny detail that ensures engagement and audience retention on your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.